Hello, this is Anna, collaborator from Spotahome. Here we are in Carrer de San Rafael. We're going to visit this apartment. It has 5 bedrooms. We are at the entrance. You have a table over there. And over here you have a dining room with a fridge. You have a couch and a dining table with 5 chairs. This is your kitchen. It's a completely equipped kitchen. You have microwave, you have an oven, an induction heat, coffee machine, toaster. You also have kitchen appliances that you can use. You have glasses, you have plates, everything you will need. You also have pots, as you can see. And over here we have a laundry room with a washing machine. You have an iron board, cleaning supplies. Over here we have the the bathroom. You have the toilets, the sink, bathtub with the shower. You have a closet over here. You have this mirror on the wall. And this is the first bedroom. It's an spacious bedroom. As you can see, you have a desk and a chair. You have a double bed. You have 2 chests of drawers next to the bed. You have a small mirror on the wall. And you have a 2-door closet over here. This is your closet space. And that's an inside patio window. This is room number 2. This is the biggest room on the house. You will see there's a lot of space, a lot of natural light in this bedroom. You have a double bed with some storage under the bed. You can lift the bed and put some stuff under. You have this open closet. You have a desk and a chair. You have a small table over here, a lamp on the corner. You have a chair over here, an air conditioner unit, and a small balcony over here. This is your view. As you can see, you have parking space on the building, so that's really nice. This is the complete bedroom. It's a very spacious room. We're in an area called Vetero. It's a pretty well connected area. This is your second bathroom. You have the shower, the sink, mirror on the wall, and the toilet. This is room number 3, also a double bedroom. You have a storage space under the bed. You have a bedside table and lamp. You have a desk and a chair on this side. And you have this closet. It's a built-in closet. That's your closet space. This is room number 4. This is a double bedroom, so you have 2 single beds. You have a desk and a chair, and you have a built-in closet over here. And a window with a view to the parking space I told you about. And this is room number 5. You have a single bed, bedside table and lamp. You have an open closet over here and more closet space on the back, as you can see. A lot of natural light. You have a desk and a chair, and this really nice balcony with 2 chairs, table, and you can do your laundry here. You can see, you can dry it over here. And same view to the parking space, kind of a park. As I said, we are in an area called Vetero. It's a pretty well located area. You are close to the beach. Maybe you can go walking, maybe it's 15 minutes away. And you can also go to the center of Valencia easily by tram. You have a tram station just 2 minutes away. This is a well-connected place. You can also take buses everywhere in the city. It's also close to university, actually just 1 minute away from University of Valencia. So that's a great location. And this is it. Thank you and goodbye.